Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Windows edition and having the 25-character product key ready. This is required for voice or automated entry. Once done, make sure you're signed in as an administrator and open Settings, then Update and Security, then Activation. If online activation fails, choose the Activate by Phone option now. The system will generate an installation ID that you'll read aloud to the phone system or an agent. Keep a pen and paper nearby for the confirmation ID you will receive. You'll now place the call to the phone number shown on screen. Use a landline or a quiet mobile to avoid misheard digits. When the automated system or agent prompts you, slowly read each block of the installation ID exactly as displayed. Pause between blocks to ensure accuracy. Once the agent or IVR returns a confirmation ID, type it into the activation dialog boxes on your PC. Make sure you enter all digits with no extra spaces or characters. This step links your hardware to the product key. You finish by entering the confirmation ID and clicking Activate. You should see a success message confirming digital entitlement. If activation fails, ask the agent for a manual review reference or hang up and repeat the phone activation to get a fresh confirmation ID. Make sure your system clock is correct and note any recent major hardware changes. These can block activation and require a different support route. If problems persist, record the error code. The system shows so support can resolve it faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.